Hello everyone, myself AGASTYA SAMTANI, student of grade 2A, Jasudben Middle School, is going to show you science experiment. The name of the experiment is waving hand. The material we need is 2 gloves, a mug, one transparent bottle or mug filled with water, some markers, and one cutout of a bottle with the ends of the bottle cutted. So let's begin the experiment. After you put the glove on the bottle, you can also draw some spooky things on the glove also. After you finish drawing your things on the glove, then put the glove in the water. Now you see the waving hand is formed. Look, the waving hand is saying hi to you. And why is this waving hand formed also? This waving hand is formed because the air which is in the water goes in the glove and gets trapped and can't go anywhere, and the water traps the bottom, so the air can escape from the bottom also. So that's why the air spreads in the glove and this waving hand is formed, and it shows air occupies space. Thank you. Bye.